Hi, my name is Brett Christoffel. I'm the founder of All Y'all's Foods, the maker of It's Jerky Y'all. And I got into this because I love cows. And as a result, instead of just complaining about it, I decided to do something about it. And our first product is It's Jerky Y'all. We're doing the flavors of Texas. Our first three flavors, prickly pear chipotle, prickly pear teriyaki, and black pepper sea salt, represent three regions of Texas.
All the flavors are really good. I like the teriyaki the best. It's one of those really sweet with the prickly pear and teriyaki flavor. The smoked chipotle was really nice. It's got a little bit more flavor than traditional jerky. You get the plain Jane regular jerky, then you have something that's got a little bit better taste to it. This one's got a little bit better taste.
If you didn't notice, this is a plant-based jerky. So what makes this different is all the protein you find in meat actually comes from the plants that cows eat. And so we like the cows, so we send them on vacation and we take the plants and we make jerky with it. It's 100% non-GMO soy, and it has more magnesium, protein, calcium, and iron than beef, and zero cholesterol for you. So it's a kinder for everybody.
We just tried the jerky for the first time. It's really good. It's got a nice flavor, smells great, and tastes great. Probably a little bit easier to eat. You know, sometimes jerky can be kind of hard to chew on. As far as taste, I don't think I would know that it wasn't meat in a way. You know, it tasted great.
We have other products that are coming out soon. We're doing it with a portion of the proceeds going to Rowdy Girl Sanctuary, and would appreciate people giving us a try.